What's going on, guys? I'm here from Losh TV and welcome back to the channel. Today is day 8 of Losh Gust, and I wasn't going to film an in-park video today. If I'm being 100% honest with you guys, I was going to just film something from home. However, Universal Halloween Horror Nights has decided to release a bunch of merchandise, and I mean a bunch. So we're going to talk about the merch, check out what's here in the park, what's available, and we're going to look at some of the construction along the way as well. So I'm going to actually start over here in Avenue of the Stars to see what's going on over here, because from what I can see, they've added a few little details already. So let's take a peek and see what's going on. And that's right, you see it. It is more than 2 pieces of fabric. It is 4 pillars. It's amazing. I wonder if we're going to have the vines coming up, or if this is going to be a giant gate. I'm not sure, but I love that we now have some details up front here. It's great to see. It's fantastic. It's beautiful. It's what we've wanted. HHN is starting so soon. So instead of going directly to 5 and Dime, actually, you know what? Let's go straight to the 5 and Dime. So if you guys saw when I started the video, I was already walking from 5 and Dime. Now that is because I purchased the pin. If you guys know me, I'm a huge pin collector when it comes to HHN. I've actually bought every single HHN pin that's released since I've started attending Halloween Horror Nights in 2013. So right now, I went over there earlier, purchased it, then started the video. But I'm gonna go over here and show you guys everything that's in the 5 and Dime, everything that's available. And then we're gonna look around the park and see what else is new, what else has changed. Any minor big changes, we'll take a peek at them. Let's get in and see what they got. Of course, we have FNAF right off the rip. Sure, that's been out. But on the opposite side, we have a brand new Wyatt 6 long sleeve shirt. I love this. You have Bray in the back. You have the rest of the group. Let me in. Now this is $40. They have up to extra large here. They have some more over here. Sorry. Yeah, they have up to a 3X. So it's nice. The last one sold out super quick, so I wonder if this will be similar. Let's take a peek at the back side. Okay, doesn't want to stay. There we go. Wyatt 6, and then the WWE logo. Right here we have another Halloween Horror Nights FNAF shirt. I don't know how I feel about this. It has like that burnt look to it. We have Freddy Fazbear's Pizza on the front. And then on the back side, Halloween Horror Nights 2025 in orange. And then you have this ID reel. Badge reel. This is heavy. Normally these are just like normal plastic, but this has a little bit of metal on it. It's nice. It's 20 bucks. We also have a peel, stick, and sew patch set here with the animatronics from FNAF. $18 for that. A photo frame, which is actually one of the things that I raved about when it comes to Epic. The fact that there's frames for like almost everything. Love that we see that. And here's that pin that I was talking about earlier. I love that we have an actual event pin. So it's not tied into an IP, it's just an original IP, like original pin. It is beautiful, 2025, the gargoyle, and they also have this on a shirt right here. The pin's 16, the shirt 35. That's that for the merch when it comes down to new stuff here. There's more stuff at All Hallows and we have to get over there, but I love the fact that we're getting little things almost every other day. Like we got the Mel stuff last week, we got this stuff this week. What do we get next week? I don't know. But one thing I see right now that I think is awesome, whoop, that fog machine we saw is now covered by greenery, and so is this entire stage. It just looks like it's overgrown. Oh man, it's sick. They are doing a great job with everything here this year. I think the zones look better than they have in so long. And speaking of zones looking better, let's go straight forward and go to the Cat Lady zone. This is a zone that consistently keeps getting little details added piece by piece. And honestly, I'm in love with it because there's just so much to look at. Still no Lil Boo. Will he even be here? I don't know. We'll find out. What's up, Lil Gnome? But we're going straight to the cat lady's home because they've added some details over here as well, just for her. Excited to see what this looks like. Oh man, it's crazy. I feel like I see new things every day. It's insane. But let's look over here. Oh. They've added little things all across the front of her home. So obviously, got the bike, got this terrifying clown.
He's like, thank you.
Golf clubs, mass. I feel like I've seen this before. Don't know where. Then we got speakers on both sides. That is terrifying. Don't know what that is, but it's terrifying. So we have speakers on this side, and we also have on that side. The door seems like it's gotten withered now, which is nice. Let's go ahead and do a little round of this. Before I do that, you can see that they added more greenery over here. What is going on? Like, this is a phenomenal scare zone. Like, they decided to just go completely next level with this. And it's honestly, I'm happy about it. No, others are as well. And there's the other speaker, and here's the electrical as well. Let's take a peek inside the house. They even put detail in the house. It's hard to tell, but like literally the walls are painted. Oh man, that's awesome. Now, while standing here in Springfield and walking around the park in general, I saw that Halloween Horror Nights has confirmed the brand new stay and scream procedures. So, these have been rumored, now they're official. New for 2025, when you arrive at the park starting at 3 p.m., you'll get a wristband at one of the check-in locations listed below. Those locations are Lombard's, Minions Cafe, and VillainCon. After that, instead of being in one of the designated areas, you'll be free to explore the park to catch a ride, a show, a bite, shop for merch, or simply take in the sights before the event opens. Then, starting at 4 p.m., you can enter select haunted house queues with a wristband. I think this is phenomenal. I think this is like the smartest thing Universal's always done, or ever done. So, I have done Stay and Scream every year since 2015. And it used to be a lot of fun. I used to just get around, it still is fun. I used to just go around and hang out with friends and stay in one spot for about 2-3 hours, chit chat HHN, talk about everything, have a good time. But now things are changing. And now I don't have to be confined to one location. I can go to the tribute store if I want to. I can go ride Men in Black. I can ride The Simpsons that won't be open during HHN. It's a nice little touch that I think works so great. And it's gonna be similar to, I've never done one, but I would love to do one day. I've never done an Orlando Informer event, but it's gonna be very similar to that. We're gonna have a wristband and it's going to tell us that we're able to be there. Oh, it's so exciting. I cannot wait. Man, I think Stay and Scream's gonna go crazy this year. So I was gonna come over here by Men in Black and talk about the Portofino Bridge, but what's that over there? Would you look at that? Just yesterday I was talking about a food booth going over there. Looks like it won't be going there because we have one here. Now this gives that a whole like campy vibe, something like maybe Jason, not sure, but I do love that the vines are growing into each of these. There is an interconnective tissue through everything this year, and honestly, I'm in love. Cannot wait. But I'm excited to see what food we have at the event this year. But this booth is nice. I'm just curious to see how it's gonna work, if that bridge is actually going to be finished or not. But in the past, we've had the booth over there, and we've had one here, like one on each side before. I don't think they'll do that for HHN, but we'll see. Stranger things have happened. Still nothing going on in Club Horror. But hey, we're getting there. So I was walking through New York, and something over here caught my eye. So, Palace Theater, obviously. We have some crates, some mystery crates that have arrived. Now this is some kind of shipment that's coming in to here. See, it says ring bell for stage manager. So obviously this is something that's getting brought into whatever's going on here. So this is either a nod or it's just here. But I love that there's boxes here to continue some kind of story. I don't know, man. I'm excited, nonetheless. Curious by these little boxes here. Now, before I said they would possibly put the teasers in the store, like in Sahara, but with Sahara closing in 2 days now, I believe? 3 days, in 3 days. It looks like they put all the teasers over there. I showed you guys the other day in a tweet. It was from Skipper Haas. He showed us he told us to bring our zoom lens and look at it. Now, granted, I'm blind and I can't zoom that well. So, I know that there was something about a shipment package coming in, so maybe that's what that is about. I'm not 100% sure, but I love when the visual merchandise team, tribute store team, whatever they want to call them, those great guys and gals, put together like a crazy store and put a storyline together for that store. It just blows my mind. Like right now, I'll try to zoom in as best as I can. That's the best I can do with this camera. But there's a whole like what if board on there. Like a line theory. I don't know. It's the same thing that I put up a picture of in my last video that Skipper Haas tweeted about. But I'm not sure. That package has to be something for the store, right? It just makes sense because Haas wouldn't tweet out a teaser like that. That's not what Haas is like. Haas does it to make sure we're looking in the right places for the right things. Down this way, we have the 2 food booths that we saw yesterday. So the Fallout and the Firefly Funhouse. Well, we think they are, but 99% have the clouds, have the blue, have the white door. Then over there have the Vault 33. However, over here, today we have something brand new. Brand spanking new. That's right. If you guys can tell what this is from the side, it's kind of crazy, but it's your favorite meal on wheels. It is the Clown Cafe from Terrifier. Oh man, this is gonna look really nice at night. And I also have to give kudos to Universal. They've taken a huge step forward when it comes to their food booths for HHN or just like for anything in general. It's all been fantastic. Like, they've done a great job. And truthfully, I can't wait to see what the other booths are going to look like as well. Because if this is looking like this, those are looking like that. I can only imagine what everything's gonna look like. And they all have that cohesive, oh wait. At least as of right now, this doesn't have any vines on it. Maybe not yet, but eventually. Nonetheless, that's everything here in the park. There's nothing else in New York. So we're gonna jump over to All Hallows Eve at Islands and go see if there's anything that I would like to get over there. I know there's new merchandise. I've heard that it's been selling like hotcakes. So let's find out. We've now made our way over to Islands of Adventure. Let's go ahead and see what's inside All Hallows Eve. I also just wanted to take a second to appreciate Poseidon's Fury. I miss it every day. One of my favorite shows ever. All right, so we have the Gargoyle. This shirt was at the other store, but I forgot to show you guys. 35, it's kind of like a crop top. But over here, over here, we have the Terrifier Clown Cafe. Oh, this shirt's amazing. They have my size. So this is coming home with me, for sure. See, this way better than this. Something else I was at the other store, but it's this one. They have a Five Nights at Freddy's keychain. Inside Five Nights at Freddy's, on the back side, we got Bonnie, Chica, Foxy, and is that Afton? Yeah, Yellow Rabbit, Afton. That's cool. It's a cool keychain. I like that. And then over here, we also have a Little Boo Christmas ornament. It lights up. I think I gotta take that out. Yeah. Oh, it's sick. I like how this looks a lot. It's such a simple thing. How much is this? $30. This is a maybe later purchase, but that's nice. I like that a lot. And the purchase was made. So I got the Terrifier shirts. I got one for me and one for Lexi. Honestly, I think this is the best shirt design they've released so far. Granted, I have said that the Wyatt 6 shirt is my favorite shirt they've put out. That's personal bias, and I really do think that shirt's really cool. But this Terrifier shirt is, wow, fantastic. And truthfully, I think that's it for updates when it comes down to merch and things like that. I'm really shocked that they had my size, because when I looked online earlier, people were saying that they were sold out of all the sizes. Always hold out hope with All Hallows. All Hallows has everything that you need. This store is my saving grace when it comes to HHN merchandise. The only thing they didn't have was any of the pins. So, oh no, they did have the Mel's pin, but they didn't have the gargoyle pin. It's okay. I got that at 5 and Dime. But nonetheless, we did see a lot of quick crushing today. We saw the Clown Cafe. The Clown Cafe brought us the shirt, so that's a huge win. If you guys like this video, do me a huge favor and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite thing is that you saw today. And if you like the new merch that's come out, subscribe if you guys already haven't done so. And stay excellent, my dudes.